How to use Power Query in 6 minutes.
Hello everyone, I will walk you through how to use Power Query. We use Power Query to load the data into Excel. The Power Query is embedded in Excel already, so you do not need to install it separately. Open an Excel and go to Data, Get Data from File. There are different data sources. To simplify, we will use from Excel workbook. Choose the source file you would like to load. Click Import. Select multiple items if there are more sheets in one Excel. Then choose the targeted sheets to be loaded into Excel. Click Transform Data. It's always good to take a look and transform data before we load it in. There are two tables being loaded. The first one, I will remove the unnecessary rows. Just click the column and remove the unnecessary rows. As simple as that. About the columns, if there's any columns unnecessary, we can also remove it. In this case, I will remove currency. Select the column and click Remove Columns. I do not need category either, so repeat the steps, select the column and remove. Go to the next sheet. I will repeat the same. First, remove the unnecessary rows, then delete unnecessary columns, currency and category in this case. All right, we just did the simple data transformation. Then click Close and Load to. Only create connections. This way it will save the space and increase the processing speed. We do not add this to the data model yet. The two tables are loaded with connections only. At this point, I will save the file and give it a new name. The next step will be combining the two tables. Combine query. Choose Append. Two tables. The first one, second one. Click OK. So now two tables in the same format are combined into one. Right-click and rename it. We just combined two tables into one. Next, I want to transform certain columns into stacked rows. I will start from this column and to the most right. Those are accounts. I would want to transform those accounts into one column and the values into another. Go to Transform and use Unpivot column. There are different options in unpivot columns. In this case, because there are more columns to be unpivoted, so I will use Unpivot Other columns. Select the columns that we do not want to unpivot. Use Control key and select. Click Unpivot Other columns. It unpivoted all the columns that are not selected. Double-click and change the header. Examine the data type and change if needed. If we start from the value, the data type is also under Transform data type. It is already the decimal number. We're good. Entity is in text format. BU text format. Time. For time, you have the options to either use the time intelligence or keep it as text. For the sake of simplicity, this one I will keep it as text. We just combined the source data table and transformed this one single consolidated table. Next, click Close and Load to. Only create connections and add this data to data model. This will enable us to utilize this data model in the Excel to build the Power Pivot. While the data is loading, let's revisit the difference between Power Query and Power Pivot. We use Power Query to load and transform data. Power Query can handle the massive amount of data that Excel may have challenge to handle. Moving on, we use Power Pivot to create complex calculations and simulations. The data is loaded and saved. Let's take a sneak peek. How does it look in Power Pivot? Go to Power Pivot, click Manage. Diagram view. So now, this one data table is loaded into the Power Pivot. We can load the data from multiple sources and combine them into one single table. In addition to that, we can load multiple mapping tables through Power Query. Then in Power Pivot, we'll be able to build the relationships between different tables and create complex calculations. How to use Power Pivot will be introduced in the next video.
Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I'm Jennifer, business analytic expert who loves BI tools.